We made it to June. It is the first week in June. Today is actually June 1st. So this is Sunday when I'm filming this. And this is my new month of June. If you were here a few weeks ago, I set the stickers for June in here. I added some washi tape in here, some over here, but I haven't done the weeks. I'd like to do that with you each week as I'm planning ahead. But I do like the overview of the full month set so that I can go in here and play around with it as plans start coming up. So I really want to get to July and put July in so I have that as well, because looking forward into the summer, I know that there's things that are happening, travel plans that we have that I really would love to get into the planner, and I kind of don't want to do it unless I've already done the decorating and put the washi tape in place. I know it's sort of weird. It's like I don't want it empty and then having to move things around. I just need the decorating down is what I need to do. So let's do this coming week, the first week in June together, and then we will attempt to get into July if we have time and this video isn't too long. And if it's too long, then that'll be in next week. But I don't know, I have a feeling we're gonna be able to get to July together today. So instead of chatting for too long, I am gonna turn this around. If you wanna skip to the next chapter, feel free, and I'll pick you up there. If not, stick around with me and we are going to put down all the stickers and all the things that I've got planned for the week ahead. Here is June, and if you'd seen this a few weeks ago, I already placed down the header and the different days and the washi tape right here, like I just talking about, and then the day little stickers, the little numbers for every day with the tweezers. You definitely need the tweezers for doing these tiny little stickers. I learned the hard way. Actually, I didn't put these in before because I didn't have tweezers because they were too small. So today, let's do the first week, which these all go in here. And as you can see, the one is missing because I used that in last week's video for the last week in May. So we will fill these in. We've got these great little long sort of watercolor stickers right here. And I don't know, maybe I should put it like right here because they would fit and that would be kind of cool. And I've never used these before. So let me think about that. Okay, so let's get these done. I'll be quiet and I'll speed it up. So if you want to skip this, just skip ahead. So that is a first look at the next week. I'm going to end up going in and adding my appointments in here. And I do have these weather stickers for this month. And so it says weekly weather. So I'm wondering if I could put this up here or maybe down here, or maybe this weather should go on this side. And so I know that this week has the weather like this. There's 4 weeks and there's 10 of them. So I'm wondering if this is for specific weather. So maybe you do it like this down the week, you know what I mean? So let me know what you do with these. I keep asking and no one, I don't know if anyone's using these stickers. So I have to think about these. And then I love how the different colors are for the week. And then I've done this. I need to start filling this in, and I'm going to lay out my habit tracker as well because I was much better last month. Let me show you what I did for May. Hold on, I keep going back and forth, but May was so much better. And look how fun it is with the different color highlights. So I use different color highlight pens in here. And I have my check-ins, my water, the gym, strength training, do no alcohol. I just drank one day on Saturdays. I've been reading my book and I've been walking. So this has been great. So I'm going to redo this and copy this into June. And then I haven't been as great over here with this section, but I need to get better at this. So hopefully maybe June I'll do a little bit more of the big page, and then that is June. And I think if we have time, let's go over and look at July. July is a blank slate right now. Here it is, nothing going on. And let's see what I've got for July. I have this for July. So I am going to put that down today because I really want to be able to play in July. And I'm thinking I should use this sticker like right here. Let's do that together right now. This is the first time ever I used the stickers in here instead of the washi tape, and I'm so bummed that I didn't do this before. And maybe what I'll do is go back and lift this purple up and do these stickers here for June. Where are those? Oh my goodness, why didn't I do that? These. So I may just lift up these this washi tape right here and put these down because I didn't realize I could use both of these stickers like right here. And I think that'd be so cool. So I may do that now, but so happy. I've got June ready to go first week. I kind of fixed this up a little bit. I've got all this free space over here that I need to work on. And then I've got July. And July is ready. And did you see me? I wasn't sure where to put these. I thought these were supposed to go here, and I totally forgot that they went here. So I had a little bit of a fudging there. But love having 2 months done. And now I feel like I need to get some red and blue pens to go for this month. But because I only have pastels. So that may be something I have to get for July. But I am so excited. Here, let me show you. So I've got July, so happy, so red, white, and blue. Did you see, these are really hard to put on, these little tiny stickers. So I'm just gonna have the month ready to go. I'm gonna add my appointments, and then same thing for July. I'm gonna finish up this and change out probably this washi tape because now I know what to do here. So yay, I'm so excited. I'm finally learning how to use these stickers to their full advantage. That was so satisfying, putting down July. I think going forward, if I have the stickers, I need to get them in at least for the month view sooner than later so that I can start planning. And I love July. July is so great. I think it's so fun, the barbecue and the popsicles and the stars and everything. And then June is awesome too. And I'm so bummed that I didn't realize, like I just said, to put the stickers right here. So I'm gonna definitely change that up. If I have time today, I know the day is getting away from me, I will maybe change that out, maybe not, and maybe I will get into my book bound and start planning July in here as well. I don't know if I'll get to that, but definitely check back for next week, which is gonna be week 24, and see what happens then, because maybe we will get into the book bound then. I think I will, because I want to start planning ahead. Anyway, love spending this time thinking about what's going on, planning, organizing my thoughts, getting them in here. So now when I get off, I'm gonna start moving some things around, adding some appointments for the week and all the things that need to be done so that I am ready to go for tomorrow. So thank you so much for being with me in week 23 of planning. If you have any thoughts or questions, are you impressed that I finally figured out how to use these stickers? Because yeah, I'm kind of impressed. I still don't know what to do with these long ones, but there must be somewhere that they go. I don't know. I just think maybe, I don't know. I love the little dots. Maybe I should use those instead, but I'm not using all the stickers. So I'm feeling like it's not a waste because I can use them in other places. Like I could use these red, white, and blue ones in the book bound if I don't use them here. But every month I'm accumulating stickers that I'm not using. So I need to think about how I'm going to reuse them or repopulate them in other ways. So what do? Do you do like 1 month where it's just whatever you've got, it's ad hoc? So let me know about that, but that's what I got. So that was week 23. Thank you so much for being with me in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when week 24 goes up. If you're new here, thank you so much for being with me. This is a series, so go back, check out the other videos. I'll link that down below as well. I am an affiliate with Laurel Denise, so if you're interested in getting your own planners, I have a discount code linked below, and all the scoop is in the description box. So have a great day. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you for week 24.